How to file 1099K for Uber on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to freetaxusa.com. Now over here, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option, enter your username. Then enter your password and click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to start a new tax return for the year you're filing for. Fill in your personal information as prompted by FreeTaxUSA. Collect all the necessary documents related to your Uber earnings. This includes your 1099K form provided by Uber, which details your earnings and transactions. Then you want to click on the income section of the tax return. Now you want to click on the option where you can input your income from miscellaneous sources or self-employment income. This is where you will enter the information from your 1099K. Enter the details from your 1099K into the appropriate fields. This will typically include the gross amount of income you received from Uber. Make sure to input this information accurately to avoid any discrepancies. Once you have entered all the income information, review your tax return. Make sure all the income is properly reported, including income from Uber. Once you are satisfied, you can proceed to submit your tax return. After reviewing and making any necessary edits, you can file your tax return through FreeTaxUSA. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. If you owe taxes, FreeTaxUSA will provide option for making a payment. If you are due a refund, you will have the option to have it directly deposited into your bank account or mailed to you as a check. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can contact the FreeTaxUSA customer support. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.